Every season, Hermes comes out with a limited edition lipstick collection, and they just launched their Spring-Summer 2022 collection with 3, again, limited edition lipsticks with amazing cases that totally scream spring and summer. And I'm super excited because today I'm going to be doing lip and arm swatches, and we're going to talk about all the different details, the finishes and whatnot. So let's get started. If you're not familiar with Hermes lipsticks, they do have their permanent line with satin and matte lipsticks, and then every season they come out with a limited edition collection. The great thing about it, and something that I absolutely love, is that the cases, they are interchangeable. In fact, they are all refillable, so that makes it a lot of fun. So let me show to you how they come. The unique card, whether limited edition or permanent, they are always the same. They are made in Italy, and they do have a shelf life of 18 months. On the top, you will find the name of the lipstick, all the details. Honestly, the packaging is just so extra because as you unbox it, it's like you find your beautiful orange box, classic for Hermes. And it's like opening a present after another present because you slide right here, and then there you go, you get your lipstick in a beautiful canvas pouch, and then there you go, there's your lipstick right there. Ooh, look at this. Absolutely love the packaging right here. These color blocks, like I said, they truly scream spring, summertime. And let me show you the other ones. Look at this green one right here. Isn't it this gorgeous too? And then we have this one right here. All the color blocks, they're just so cool. I really love the fun aspect of these lipsticks. The permanent line comes with lipsticks that, to me, they are gorgeous, elegant. I mean, these white, black, brass. I mean, very Hermes, very, high-end, luxurious. But from time to time, having something fun like this, I think it's fantastic. Now, from permanent line, we have satin, matte shades, and Hermes has a brilliant finish in poppy. Now, this one right here is actually more of a kind of like a balm with a little bit of shade. It does have some sparks of gold. And on this Spring Summer 2022 collection, the finish of these 3 lipsticks are also the Brilliant formula. So let's go ahead and get started right here. I think I'm going to go first with 05 Brilliant Beige Dew. Now this is honestly a very light shade, and by the way, all the details of where to find these lipsticks along with the rest of my makeup, everything will be on the description box below. Let's go ahead and try 05 Brilliant Beige Dew. Next shade, 38 Brilliant Rose Nymphea. .35 Brilliant Orange Capucine. I'm pretty sure you know which shade is perhaps my favorite shade right here, right? Definitely the Orange Capucine, because I have a soft spot for oranges. I don't know, I just love how it looks in contrast with my skin tone. And to be honest with you, I was going to do a ton of comparisons. I had pulled out a ton of my Hermes lipsticks, like a ton of them. But looking at this finish right here, to me, there's really not a purpose. Not a purpose. Perhaps I'm just gonna do a comparison with Allure Poppy. This shade right here with the one that I'm wearing right now, Orange Capucine. Just because they are the two orange shades that I have with this same kind of finish. I think Orange Capucine is not as yellowy undertone as Poppy. Poppy is a lot lighter, while Orange Capucine has, to me, just a little bit more of kind of like a corally, peachy undertone. Not as, again, not as yellow orange base as Poppy. Now, in regards of the finish of them, I think they are more like a lip oil kind of situation, kind of like a lip balm, very, very juicy. You know, they are gonna keep your lips really nice, beautiful, plump, and hydrated. You can see right there all the shine that they have. It's kind of like a lip oil, but on a lipstick bullet kind of format, which I honestly really love. I think this right here, if I have to compare it a little bit to other lipsticks that I have, they kind of remind me a little bit to the Rouge Coco Flash from Chanel and the Rouge Coco Bloom from Chanel. Not the balms, the ones that they just came out with the spring summer 2022 collection, but actually a hybrid between the Flash and the Bloom, where from the Chanel Rouge Coco Bloom they have that shiny kind of aspect, that very like lip oil, lip gloss type of, you know, finish. And then they do have the pigmentation from Chanel Rouge Coco Flash. So again, to me, they are kind of like a hybrid in between both of them. You're gonna ask me, do these have the same scent as the other Hermes lipsticks? Yes, but it fades away right away. It's something that is an experience. You open it up, you smell that very beautiful floral, soft scent. You start applying it, and then I cannot really smell it. I don't feel it like it's so present in there. And I absolutely love this type of lipstick product right here, because it's a hybrid between kind of like a lip balm with a little bit of pigmentation in there. They are so easy to use. That's the beauty about these type of products. And I really love that they are, you know, refillable. I love the color block, the shades that they have chosen. I think they are fun, they are beautiful. If you're looking kind of more like a lip balm that it will give you just a little bit of, you know, like plump. When I say plumpiness, I'm not saying that these will plump your lips. No, they don't have any tingling sensation. They don't have any burning sensation. No, nothing of that. What I mean with that plumping kind of like finish and look is because how juicy they look. That's why. That's the only reason why I'm calling them, you know, kind of plumping. If you don't want anything, you know, any color, and you just want just a little bit of something, go for this one right here. If you want some color, I mean, you have your pink, your orange tone, you will not go wrong with any of them. Different from the one Poppy. Poppy does have a little bit of like sparkles of gold. These ones right here from the spring summer 2022 collection, they don't have any shimmer, any sparkles, no glitter, no nothing, just complete juicy beautiful finish. Okay, my friends, and I think this makes it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I would love to know from you, have you picked up any of these new lipsticks from Hermes, or you have them on your wish list? Which shade you like the most on me, and which shade you would like the most to have it for yourself? Let's continue the conversation on the comment section down below. And while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with family and friends. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye bye.